What's up guys, it's the 21st of July and the time now is 9:30 AM and I'm currently at Bamboo Hills because I am joining Jetour's media drive to Terengganu, and we will be driving two models, the latest T2 and also the T1, and you can see the cars over here. Okay, and there are more over there. So there are 20 cars today, 10 T1 and also 10 T2. Today I'll be driving the T2, and tomorrow when we drive back, I'll be driving the T1. Okay, so I'll be able to show you guys all about the two cars in this video, so stay tuned. Oh, here. Okay, so we are getting our car. Ours for today is number 19. This is the one. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, green color.
Okay, so we are at Lancang R&R to switch drivers. So it's my turn to drive the T2. Okay, so we are now at our second R&R stop. We are in Gambang R&R now. I think one more before we arrive at Grand Hyatt Kuantan, I think. So let me show you. These are all the T2 hybrids. Okay, we just arrived at Grand Hyatt, Hyatt Regency Kuantan.
Careful, watch out behind.
We are gonna have lunch here.
Yep.
And these are the professional car reviewers.
Yes.
Okay,
Go.
heading in.
Okay, you said you have to be BYD.
Okay, so these are our seat.
Okay. Look at sound.
Should be down there. Ballroom Jati. Thank you. Thank you. Time now is 4 PM and we just arrived at Resorts World Kijau. But because we have 30 minutes before we check into the hotel, we took the T2 hybrid out to take some content. And we have our own space here at the car park lot. Nice. B-roll time! So this Resorts World Kijau used to be called Awana Kijau, and it has been here for many years. So generally the hotel looks kinda old. So yeah, I'm not expecting a lot of interesting things happening here because it's been around for years. Okay, checking in now. So my room is on the 7th floor and this is the view. Those are the cars. Actually the view is not bad. 737. Oh, so this is my room. Okay, looks not bad. Time to rest a little bit. Okay, the time now is 6:50 PM. The whole group is out by the beach playing with turtles because we're in Terengganu, so they are very famous for putting turtles in the sea. But I didn't go, so I'm here at the pool. But I plan to go to the gym instead. Remember what I said about the hotel being a bit old and a bit run down? It is very old and also very run down. Like, it took me a while to actually find the gym. And all these settings reminds me of my high school. Feels like a high school. So we're entering this dark area. This dark area is where the gym is. And you need to check out the logo of the gym. Wow, this is from 30 years ago. Okay, the time now is 7:30 and we are having buffet barbecue food by the beach, organized by Jetour. People are slowly arriving. Let me show you the food. So we have the non-meat side. You also have the seafood and also the meat. Good morning guys, this is day 2 in Terengganu. The time now is about 8:45 and I'm going down for breakfast. Today the activity is actually quite simple. Nothing much, just to shoot the cars. I think there will be one small activity before we head back to KL. So after breakfast, we are by the beach to try out the V2L with the T2-iDM to make coffee. So apparently they have set up this camping thing with an espresso machine, so that is to show that we can power up the coffee machine to make coffee.
Most cars power enough.
Before checkout, we are shooting the T1 a little bit, since they have a few here by the beach. So this is actually the hero car for this trip because they are launching this today. As we go back to KL, that's when the launch event is. So we just checked out and today we are driving the T1, and this is the one that we are driving is the 1.5 version. This is the full spec version. So yeah. So we're currently parked here and we get to see the T1 and also the T2 hybrids. Pusat Pemulihan Tuntung Sungai Kampung Pasir Gajah Kemaman, which is also called River Terrapin Conservation Center. Again, this reminds me of a school environment, a high school environment. 就全部拿一个出来，没有。
但是它后面就是很少。
Right. Okay. That is one of your concern yourself to also understand the way that.
So cute. So cute.
And these guys are 2 months old.
So it's only found in Cambodia, in Malaysia.
It's not protected. That's
Only protected.
they are like where they're living, they stop the sand mining. So you can get
Banyak playground besar because when we release them when they are newly hatched, they are very vulnerable. Yeah, and then when they, so dia memang kecil sahaja, so around 30 years macam tu.
So what eats them? The river terrapins.
The
Who
river
are the
terrapins
pred-
mostly yang eat them bila dia orang
Who are the
kecil.
predators?
Ikan, ada buaya, biawak, and everything.
Okay, so from my understanding, so these are terrapins. They are actually a type of turtle species, and they are not from the sea. So these are fresh water species. So you cannot find them in the sea, and they are endangered species. Critically endangered species. Okay, and now in this pool, they are actually trying to do experiment to wait for them to grow, to find and see at which age you can actually put them, in the wild and they can survive. So they are actually putting trackers and transmitters to those like suitable age therapies. And that is why these therapies are here, and they have to wait for their right age to do the experiment.
Yeah, true.
And these terrapins are only available in 2 countries, Cambodia and also Malaysia. Okay, and in Malaysia, there's only one place you can find terrapins, and which is in Terengganu.
You got me hypnotized, you make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night, I'm about to lose my mind.
Okay, so we just arrived at Bamboo Hill, and we're so hungry, we want to go eat first.
The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you.
Okay, before we go back, we are shooting one more reel for this Jetour T1.
It's in the way you move.
Okay, just done with the shoot. So that wraps up the media drive from KL to Terengganu with Jetour Malaysia. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content, you can go check out my Instagram, which is @smashpop, or my car IG, which is @electric_pop. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Little mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind. See you running back. I'm with you till I